Hey, what is up everybody? I'm Riz and welcome to another awesome video. I know it's been a while and I'm back. Today's video is all about screen mirroring your iPhone, any iPhone by the way, to Roku Express TV. And just to show you an example, we are being mirrored to right now. Let me show you. Alright, so you can see the TV in the background and by the way, it works on the lock screen as well. I've unlocked it, I'm just gonna swipe up and you can see it on my TV that it's actually working as we speak. It's live on my TV, literally right there. It's literally right there, okay? So it's absolutely awesome. It's amazing the way it works. It's lag free, it's awesome. It's completely free because everything is just built into it. So I'm just gonna give you an example. By opening up my camera, I'm just gonna take a photo of my computer. I just took a photo. I'm just gonna open the photo. There you go. I'm just gonna zoom in on my photo. You can see it on my TV that it's being zoomed in right now. So yep, let me just oh yeah, okay, wait, okay, so you got the idea, right? So I'm not gonna talk much, let's just start right into it. The first thing you want to do on your iPhone is really simple, okay? So the first thing you want to do on your iPhone is go to the settings page, okay? Now inside the settings, go to your Wi-Fi settings. Now inside the Wi-Fi settings, make sure your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi, okay? That is really simple. And that is really important, okay? Let's say if you don't have home Wi-Fi, let's say if you don't have the home Wi-Fi, you could actually use your mobile services. I don't have mobile services on this iPhone, but you can actually use the mobile services to enable a hotspot. Although I would not recommend it, it's not free. It might cost you it might cost you credit or data plans or anything like that. So I would not recommend it. Use your home Wi-Fi. It's homey, it's free, and you don't have to worry about credit or data plans or anything like that. So once your iPhone is connected to your home Wi-Fi, that is pretty much all you have to do. Second up is going to be the control center. So we'll be using the screen mirroring feature on the iPhone. So inside the control center, let's say if you don't have that, you can actually hold it, click on add control, click find the screen mirroring right there. You can actually make it bigger as well. So let me just right there, see? So I got two different screen mirrorings. So that's pretty much all you have to do on your iPhone. Now let's just jump to the Roku TV and let's do this. Okay, so there's a couple of things we need to do on your Roku Express as well. We need to do the exact same thing that we did on your iPhone. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure your Roku Express TV is connected to your home Wi-Fi. It's completely free, as I said before, so just follow my steps and it's gonna be just fine, okay? All right, so the first thing you want to do is go to your settings page. Real simple. Now inside the settings page, you would find the first option would be the network settings, okay? So head over to your network settings. As you can see, I'm connected right now, okay? So what you want to do is go to your setup connection tab right there, click wireless, and it will automatically search for the wireless connections nearby, okay? So as I recommend, use your home Wi-Fi. It's completely free, it's homey, and you don't have to worry about mobile data or anything like that. So the first one is going to be my home Wi-Fi. So I have done this before, so all I have to do actually is to click on that. It will automatically enter my password and I'll click connect. It will take a couple seconds and there you go, I am connected. So if you're not sure if it's connected, click on check connection. It will automatically check the connection for you. So make sure it's good, the connection is good, the speed is good. So it will take a couple seconds. So I'm just gonna wait for this one. So let's see. All right, so network is good, wireless is good, and the internet should be good because I think it's working, okay? Yeah, I'm not sure though. I've never done this before. There you go. Okay, so we are good. Now what you want to do is go back to the settings page and go all the way down till you see something like Apple, AirPlay, and HomeKit. This is really amazing option in Roku Express TVs or Roku Express dongles or Roku Express devices, okay? So what you want to do is go to your Apple AirPlay HomeKit, click on it. It should look exactly like this, by the way. AirPlay is literally same on every single TV if it's available on you. So in this case, there you go, the Apple AirPlay is turned on, and that's pretty much all you have to do right now, okay? So let's just take out the iPhone and let me show you exactly how you can do this. All right, so I got the iPhone, and both the iPhone and my Roku Express TV are exactly same Wi-Fi connection, okay? So that is really important, okay? So let me just unlock my iPhone. There you go. Okay, so on your iPhone, what you want to do is go to your control center. And by the way, this is a bonus tip in case you don't have the screen mirroring option. So let's just say, so as you can see, I got the screen mirroring option right there, right? Let's just say if you don't have screen mirroring option, what you want to do is hold on the control center, click on add control, and you would search. You can actually search for the screen mirroring if you want to, or you could just scroll down till you find screen mirroring right there. There you go. You can actually make it bigger, extend it, and click OK. So there you go. I got 2 screen mirroring options. You can use any which one you like. Okay. So in this case, I'm just gonna click on screen mirroring, and it will automatically search for the TVs that are available to you. So both of these TVs are on my network. As you can see, the Roku Express 4K is available as well, and the Samsung. So we're doing the Roku Express. So I'm just gonna click on Roku Express. It's loading. It's gonna ask for a code which the Roku will provide. Okay, this is just the first time code. As you can see, the iPhone is written on top of it. That's my 16 Pro Max, and the code is 6782. Actually, 6782. So just type in the code, click OK, and it will take a couple of seconds, and there you go. There you go. It's connected. Pretty amazing. By the way, this is just one-time code. It won't ask you again. The code is just for the first time. Okay. And it's pretty amazing the way it works. You can see that audio. By the way, the audio will be coming from the TV. It's so good, and you can use the camera as well. Like let me just take it. You can see it's live. It's really smooth. There's absolutely no lag at all. You can see it on the TV, right? So let me just take a photo of my computer. I'm just gonna open up the photo, and I'm just gonna show you that I can zoom in. And it will go actually full screen. So right there, see? And you can see that it's actually full screen right now. So pretty amazing the way it works. You can do tons on this, by the way. You can even watch videos if you want to. Let me just open up let me just open YouTube and show you that it works absolutely awesome. So I have YouTube open up. You can literally click on any video you like, right? And the audio will be coming from the TV, as you can see right there. See? It's actually connected. It shows you right there.
In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn any iPhone from this to this.
And you can actually use the pause option right there. So let me just pause it. You can use the options like pause. You can actually move to a different video. You can actually seek the video as well. So let me just move up to the video, and you can see it on the TV that it actually moved forward. It's absolutely awesome the way it works, right? Pretty amazing, right? And so the way you stop this is really simple as well. What you want to do is if you have the dynamic island, you can just click on that. It will ask you to stop mirroring. You can do that from there, or you can just do the same thing that we did before. Click on the screen mirroring right there and click on stop. Let me just click on stop. As you can see, it stops. So if you want to do this again, really simple as well, click on screen mirroring, click on Roku, and as you can see, it's literally point and shoot. That's pretty much it. It's literally click. It's literally one click. So okay. So I'm just for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you again. Okay. So let me just do this one more time. Okay. I'm just gonna stop it. See, stopped. I'm just gonna do it again. So it takes literally 1 second. Literally 1 second. All I did was just one tap on my iPhone, and we are connected. Pretty amazing, right? Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. By the way, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you, okay? If you find this video helpful, be sure to subscribe, okay? It's gonna help the channel a lot. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.